Make the doll talk, but your lip is taped?
Are they calling me a doll?
Yeah. You think they're calling me a doll?
Yeah.
You think I look more like a puppet than you? Gonna look alike. No, we don't.
Yeah, we do.
I'm gonna tape my mouth, and you're gonna talk, alright? Alright! Okay, here we go. I'm gonna rip this tape off, tape my lip, and you talk.
Alright, go for it.
Okay, here we go. Is it on good enough?
I can still see your mouth open.
Okay. Try this again.
What does that look like?
My lips perched.
Ah, sure.
Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm.
Oh, you want me to talk for real?